gentle with this, because I've broken several of these hoses on different cars, so they shear off right here because they get brittle with age and temperature. Now that all that is done, we actually have a different thing that we need to do than I've done in any other intake. If you notice this loop right back here in the back, so when this is installed and down flat, this loop is going to be down low, all the way down there. I'm going to move my camera. I'm going to show you what we're going to do, because this is actually going to go under the post for that reservoir, which is really cool. So let me move my camera. We'll show you what that looks like. All right, so here's your reservoir. Remember that 10 millimeter we took out right here? It's sitting, and I've already moved it so you can see it. It's sitting on a rubber grommet, very similar to this right down here at the bottom. You've got a T30 bolt right here. So you want to take that out. Take this reservoir, because it has this groove, and this bracket has got it like a tooth on it that hangs onto it. Press down and away, and then it'll lift up and away from that grommet right there. And there's a post right there on the bottom of that reservoir. So when we install this, we're going to fit this all into place, and that loop right here on the back part of that is going to go down, and then the post from the reservoir is going to go down through the hole. So it's going to take a little bit of juggling as we get it all into place. Also with this reservoir, there's a connector at the bottom. There's a connector here at the top. Be gentle, and I really want to stress that, especially these semi-flexible kind of plastic hoses. Be gentle with this, because I've broken several of these hoses on different cars, so they shear off right here because they get brittle with age and temperature. So don't be just cranking on this reservoir, because you could snap that off and that would be a huge drag, okay? So don't do that. So just pick it up, gently just kind of lift it up and out of the way. There's enough room and play in it that it'll move around. Get it set. Let me rearrange my camera, and then we're gonna fit the intake into place, and you're making great headway.